The IRS trustees had a vision to develop the IRS meeting into the premier academic meeting for the specialty. And the alignment with AUA and with SOCA has been a really important step toward accomplishing that goal.
I would say the IRS is serving a really major purpose of being the academic meeting for anesthesiologists.
It's, I would say, the research heaviest meeting among the meetings in anesthesiology.
For me, I think the global reach of the IARS is amazing. The fact that it looks at international standards, keeps us connected with the rest of the world is very big.
It draws on the best from many, many countries. And people are here for a common reason, and they share the same hope that we will improve patient outcome, we will address tough problems. With diversity, there's strength. And so people bring different perspectives and experiences, and we all benefit from that.
I can tell you that the international part of IERS is really critical. We cannot live in our own silo and believe that what we are doing in North America is the be-all and end-all of anesthesia. And the rest of the world needs to know what we're doing here.
There's really no other conference for anesthesiologists dedicated to research and innovation quite like the IARS.
The biggest takeaway is it's a place where people are just absolutely committed to moving the specialty forward through discovery, through scientific innovations. And they're rabidly excited about it. And that level of interest in research is unrivaled in any other anesthesia meeting in the world.